Corpus Christi, the National Weather Service says more than a foot of rain has fallen in some spots over the last couple of days, causing flash flooding there. KXAN's Steffi Lee explains what they're expecting in the days ahead and how volunteers are responding to help.
Cars are stranded in high flood waters throughout Corpus Christi.
We were in severe drought just 3 days ago across a good portion of South Texas, but that has definitely been washed out, and it has led to significant street flooding in Corpus, in Alice, and then this morning especially in Port Aransas and into Rockport.
2/3 of businesses in Rockport are already back, but are preparing for another hurricane season. Governor Greg Abbott ordered the State Operations Center to elevate its readiness level for this severe weather Tuesday morning. Texas Parks and Wildlife has committed 4 airboats for Nueces, Kleberg, and Willacy counties.
Our phones have been lighting up at our call center from some of the families that we have helped out in Port Arthur.
The Austin Disaster Relief Network is working with the network of churches aiding in Harvey recovery, and now is monitoring flooding.
They are calling us, letting us know that water has either about to creep into their house or has begun to flood into their house. And these are folks that we have already rebuilt their home.
The American Red Cross also opened shelters in affected areas. The National Weather Service says a key reminder this severe weather season.
If you don't have to be out traveling when there's flash flooding, that's the best idea.
Well, it wasn't too long ago KXAN's David Yeomans revisited the hurricane-ravaged area of Rockport. He heard from those in charge that recovery is expected to take 3 to 5 years, and the area only about 40% of the hotel capacity that it had before the storm. But 2/3 of the businesses are operational again, and hopefully tourists will be returning this summer there. Rockport Fulton even has launched a new tourism campaign starring George Strait. To watch his full visit back there and the rest of KXAN's coverage during Hurricane Harvey, you'll find it on KXAN.com. Well, again, Governor Greg Abbott talking today about what's going on in Texas with all this nasty weather. He says today the state has been awarded another $13 million in grant funding. It'll go towards rebuilding fishing industries hit hard by Hurricane Harvey. This money's part of a $200 million package going to state fisheries.